So, Frob, do you think Hilda will like the pistachio pack that we're giving her this Christmas?
Of course. She's a parrot after all.
Hey guys, what's going on?
Daniel, you're back to your old design? Xero, what are you doing here? I'm taking over for you, like you wanted. Xero, I already told you, you don't have to take over for me anymore. I'm perfectly fine on this show. Okay, fine. It would have been perfectly nice to be on the show for a bit more, though.
Who on earth was that?
That was my cousin, Xero,
Who took over for me when I didn't feel like being on the show. Now I probably feel like being on the show, so no need for him.
Okay, but it wasn't really nice kicking Xero out, Daniel. It wasn't really.